Hey everybody, what's up? Gonna get right to the point here. So I changed my name from My Dividend Journey to Matt Money. Reason being is I was having a good conversation with my buddy and business partner, working on something together, but obviously it's not really up and running yet, so can't talk about it too much. But he was basically having a conversation with me about branding and marketing, and we were really just going around about it. And he's just like, "Man, I like the name of your YouTube channel is just straight boring," and I can understand that. I really um, felt like he was being honest and telling me the truth, and I appreciated that. And he was right. There's not real uniqueness about my dividend journey. There's plenty of other people on YouTube that have very similar names, and I only really recognized that after I changed my name the first time to my dividend journey, and it kind of was in the back of my head, but I think it really just took someone being honest with me to really get me to think about it. And he uh, thought it was kind of funny. He's really good with coming up with names and funny little jokes. And he's like, dude, I would just change it to something like Matt Money, because obviously my name is Matt. And obviously it's kind of a spin-off of Mad Money by Jim Cramer, right? So uh, really interesting take. But it seems like it's a little bit more me. While I do focus on dividend investing over capital appreciation and things along those lines, it just it just didn't seem like it was me. And what do I really talk about? In all honesty, it's finance. So it just this just seems like a better name. So apologies if it throws you off the first couple times. It's why I'm releasing this video. The last time I changed it from my original name to my dividend journey, a couple people were lost and they were curious why I changed the name. And the reason why I did that was because my first name has nothing at all to do with investing or anything along those lines. And so what I was trying to do was, since I transitioned into a more investing channel, be more relevant and be more, I guess, upfront about what this is going to be about. And now I'm kind of evolving into more, this is who I am, so makes more sense, right? And I'm not trying to glorify it or anything like that, but real reason why I'm making this is to inform you guys, so like a couple of you don't let it be known in the comments that, hey, this doesn't make sense, who are you, no idea who you are. So hopefully this reaches out to the 2200 or 2300 of you, and you take a quick look. But I'll make a real simple quick video about it, so that way you guys know. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.